everyone, gusto mo pa rin bang ma-achieve ang body goals mo this coming 2024? It's never too late to try Lux Slim. It is awarded as the most effective slimming supplement. Lux Slim has two components. It is L-carnitine and green tea extract. L-carnitine is one of the amino acids na nasa katawan na natin. And when we get age, it will decreases to our body. So mahalaga talaga na may L-carnitine tayo. Kasi pag nababawasan ng L-carnitine sa katawan natin, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng dementia. Yung dementia, kadalasan itong nangyayari sa mga grandparents natin, sa mga lolo't lola. And when we get age, madalas tayong makalimot, we become forgettable. It is good for heart and brain, and it will boost and provides energy dahil may mga times na pagod na tayo, pero kailangan pa rin natin kumilos. Umalaga si L-carnitine sa katawan natin.
Yes!
Si green tea extract naman for losing weight. So ito yung kadalasan na binibigay, nire-recommend kung gusto mo magbawas ng timbang. Green tea extract increases your body's antioxidant capacity. And studies shown also that green tea extract promotes weight loss, blood sugar regulation, disease prevention, and exercise recovery. It can also help keep your skin and liver healthy, regulate blood pressure, and improves brain health. Lux Slim is non-laxative, so hindi siya masakit sa tiyan o mahapdik. Hindi ka pabalik-balik sa CR nito, less hassle, kasi it will convert your fats into energy, so papawisan ka lang. Lux Slim makes your brain work better, and it normalizes your metabolism. Ang maganda dito, kahit wala kang regular exercise o proper diet, dahil tamad kang mag-gym kasi masakit sa katawan, and nahihirapan kang mag-diet dahil masarap kumain, lalo na masasarap ang pagkain. Kailangan mo rin siyang sabayan ng exercise kahit hindi araw-araw. And si Lux Slim, perfect din ito sa mga mahilig mag-gym, pang muscle development. Lux Slim also prevent oxidative that leads to longer-term health problems such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. Proven po to sa mga Lux Slim proud user na gumamit nito. Within just 3 weeks, nakita na agad ang results. Yung iba weekly, yung iba monthly. Makikita mo talaga at mapapatunayan mo na effective po talaga, nabawasan po talaga yung timbang nila. And ang ating Lux Slim, nakakatulong po din ito sa mga may PCOS. Hindi lang po yan, dahil may mga artista din po tayo na mga Lux Slim proud user na gumagamit, at ito po yung supplement, slimming supplement nila. Lux Slim recognized as the most effective weight loss supplement at the Consumer's Choice Global Awards. Made in USA and FDA approved. Again, Lux Slim is for weight loss, long endurance, diabetes, liver and kidney treatment, energy booster, chronic fatigue, muscle recovery, best for vegetarians and having Down syndrome, heart attack recovery, and for male infertility. Para sa mga nasa bahay lang pero ayaw tumaba, ayaw mag-gym pero gusto bawasan ng timbang, maging sexy at maging fit, try Lux Slim. Let's stay healthy this year. Health is wealth. Get it now. Huwag nating tipirin ang sarili natin kung para naman ito sa health natin. Message mo ako.